heading to the dock, and you see, yeah, something there that was oh so active just a couple months ago, even a month ago. People hosing off on blistering hot days, and now this brick is just lukewarm. I wonder if we'll get any kind of signs of, hot surfaces today. It's possible, but probably not. So let's go take a look. And just a reminder that this will be ending at the end of this month. So just a few more weeks. The Lions trips. And today we have just one boat. Even there's zero over here, but so one boat. I saw this at one point this year. I don't really remember that sail, but I do remember the Imagine and the Newport, Rhode Island there. Yeah, it looks familiar with a little table. I remember that little diner table out there. I think they're watching TV in there too, and I was recording them, so they might not be too thrilled that I'm recording them. So it's a nice deck too on that boat. Yeah, nice little deck to walk out on. And then you can see nothing. Just we've got a dead crab here. It's floated to the top. Probably one of the ones that bit my foot this year. The Alliance should be coming back. Okay, it's way off in the distance. You can see the sail. Maybe you can see it way out there. There you go, right in the middle of your screen. So it is en route, should be here in a little while. And seagulls are on the other side today. We got some kind of ceremony or impromptu ceremony over there. And here we go. Take a look at the waters. All right, boys, this has been the dock walk. You can hear some gentle squeaking. DNR Manny, take one last look at the today's boat, which you've seen before. Oh, that's a massive seagull right there. Wow, that's a big one. Look at that fella. All right. Who's winning the game, John? Got any runs yet? It's definitely first inning. It's only like 12-10. And on the way back, gonna take my first dip to see how the water feels.